Hello everybody, it's me again. Now my spark plug enhancer is already installed, currently turned off, and here's my HHO generator. As you can see, it's currently working. Now, kindly try to notice the difference in the engine's response. In the engine's response, when we turn on the spark plug enhancer. So, now let's try to turn it off. Now I'm going to turn it on. Try to notice the engine's noise in the background. Now, try to wait for the engine to normalize. Okay. As you can see on the odometer, it's currently in that position in the dial. And I'm going to ask my assistant to turn off the spark plug enhancer. As you can see, the odometer lowered its reading, and as you can hear in the background, there is a significant difference in the RPM and the idling sound of the engine. You can see there's a slight delay in the engine's response. Now we're going to turn it on again. I'm not sure if you noticed, but there is, once we turn on the system, idling has changed, and I'm not sure if you could notice, but there is a change in the engine response while the system is on. And let's turn it off again. You can hear, as you can see in the odometer and the engine idling, it has changed. So this shows the proof of concept that the spark plug enhancer indeed works, and is expected to save another addition of the fuel saving gadgets that I'm currently working on. So I'll be giving you an update soon as to how much savings that this would give me. Thank you and bye-bye.